Asin to temptik. Aya, asemin no tem amsko teno mahaya. Akson katago tema gaho taskina. En wat dan zie aan me no deze not nama. No gaga asiman. Effective immediately, Satellite Cremation is in lockdown for 14 days until September 21st. And what that means is that all programs except essential services will be closed during this time. And the other thing that we want to encourage people is that, monitor your symptoms. If you have a cough, a fever, shortness of breath, running nose or sore throat, go and get tested. Go and get tested. But also we want to take the stigma away from the virus if you do have it, There's no shame attached to it because we don't know where it came from. So you're not to blame. So make sure you go test it even if you're, if you feel okay. We're encouraging people to get tested as much as possible because you may be asymptomatic but if you get tested, we'll know as early as possible. And in taking away the stigma, one of the things is that we also want people to not practice lateral violence in terms of bad mouthing that person or that individual. It's like heart disease. It's like diabetes. You have it, and the thing is that you require medical attention. And for that, Satellite is going to support the individuals, the family. But we need to know so that we can send the support, and that'll include food, sanitation supplies to, and also in terms of getting the rest of your family members and your circle of friends, close friends, in to get tested, so that everybody is safe in the short term. And in the meantime, during this lockdown, is also we're asking everyone to self-isolate, to limit visits, avoid contact with other people as much as possible. And especially with seniors. And people with chronic diseases like diabetes, arthritis, or respiratory illnesses. So we want to avoid contact with them because they're the most vulnerable. The other one is avoid, public gatherings as much as possible. And also one of the other things that we're implementing is that everyone, including band employees, no travel, only for essential services, If, have one family member go get groceries, come back, don't take everybody down to go shopping, And like we're saying, we're asking people to stay home as much as possible. Our stores will remain open, but we will be implementing a mask requirement that if you go in, you will be required to wear a mask. There'll be hand sanitation stuff there, So please use them and use the masks that are going to be there. All public events and gatherings will be canceled. And for information, you can contact for official information. You can Satellite Cremation News. Go to the Satellite Cremation website. And the other one is that we go back to that basic stuff to prevent the spread of COVID. Practice physical distancing. I can't say that enough. Also, self-isolate if you're feeling sick. Wash your hands frequently. Cover your coughs and sneezes. Avoid touching your face, and avoid travel as much as possible. So one of the things is that it's here, and we want to stop it. We want to stop the spread of it, and for that we need your help. We need everybody's help. And that help has to do with, taking care of your health, taking care of the health of your family, and protecting them. So we can't stress that enough, in that these are basic things that we need to do. And it's important that we do that, because it's really all about the respect for others and respect for others, people's health, So again, I want to go over that stuff. If you have any symptoms, go get tested. We have the best health staff that I've ever come across. They're committed to helping and working with you. And so come on down. And again, if you get test positive, don't be afraid, because we're there to help, and the health center is there to help. But also, if we know, we can help stop the spread of this illness. Okay, again, we want to appreciate and thank for your help and your kindness, and extend that to everybody in our community. Thank you.